I want to personally thank you for using the Willingham Law Firm. We work hard to provide a good and a simple process to get your estate plan done. During our meeting, we talked about a lot of ideas, responsibilities, and things that you needed to do after you got your will done, and I want to make sure that all that information was conveyed correctly. First, please make sure your executor has all the information that he needs to perform his function as your executor. I have included a letter with this email. That letter should help you understand the exact things that your executor is going to need to perform his function. It's very, very important that your executor knows what he needs to do when you've passed. For example, where you put the will. That is very important information that you need to give to your executor. Number 2, we talked about beneficiary designations on bank accounts and retirement accounts. Please make sure your beneficiary designations are done properly and that the right people are on those beneficiary designations. Having your property pass outside of your estate, meaning pass according to the beneficiary designation, will make the probate process a lot more simple, and it also will help your beneficiaries avoid having to pay a creditor. Third, please keep the original will. Please make sure you keep the original because a copy cannot be probated, not even an electronic copy. The Texas state legislature has not changed the law allowing electronic copies to be probated. That might change in the future, and I'll let you know if that changes. Please keep the original copy of the will safe. Future considerations. Under the following 3 circumstances, I need you to come back and see me. Number 1, if one of your loved ones have passed away. If one of your loved ones have passed away, I need you to come back and see me for a free consultation. We'll make sure that the will distributes your property according to what you want. Number 2, if you are in the process of getting divorced or if you do get divorced, please make sure you come back and we can do a stopgap will to make sure that your property will be distributed how you want it distributed. However, there's something very important. If I represented both you and your husband, I'm going to have to get an agreement that I can represent both of you in the process in order to recreate a will. Number 3, if you win the lottery. If you win the lottery, I want you to come back and see me. It's going to make my day. I've yet had a client win the lottery, but when you do, please come back and see me. Or in other words, when you get a lot more money. More money causes more problems. And maybe you need to create a trust instead of just having a will. So, follow 3 situations. Number 1, you need to come back and see me if you have had some kind of death in your family. Number 2, if you're getting a divorce or you already are divorced. And number 3, if you come into a large sum of money. Second, life insurance review. Life insurance is very important in the estate planning context. Life insurance is usually the most amount of money that's going to be transferred to beneficiaries upon the death of an individual. Life insurance is very important to know if it's properly set up. If you're going to purchase life insurance, you're going to renew some life insurance you're going to have, or if you've just been divorced, I would like you to call and set up a time that we can talk about your life insurance. Now, there's one context of life insurance that very much concerns me, and that is with a recent U.S. Supreme Court case that just came out. If you are getting divorced, I need you to call me about your life insurance, and we need to set it up properly. Please refer your friends. Friends don't let friends live without wills. It's very important to get your will done. It's also something very difficult to do. You probably just went through that feeling of, oh, I need to get this done, but not being able to find the time. Now that you've come in, you've seen the process, it's fairly simple and we can get this done quickly. Please tell your friends and let them know that this is very important to do and that they should get it done. In some situations, it's vital. If you have a friend that's in a blended family, please refer them to me. They really need to come in and we can talk about getting their estate plan done. Thank you.